If you are looking for the best pour-over coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. CHEMEX Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. Maybe you want to feel like a mad coffee scientist when you brew your morning coffee. If that's your vibe, the Classic series from CHEMEX is perfect for you. The glass coffee maker can handle up to 8 cups in one brew and includes a polished wood collar and leather tie for extra class. Made of non-porous borosilicate glass, it won't absorb flavors and is heat-resistant. You can keep your coffee warm by placing the coffee maker directly on a glass stovetop or gas flame over low heat. Number 2. Hario Ceramic Coffee Dripper. If you want a dripper that further captures the essence of pour-over's ritualistic appeal, we recommend the Hario V60 Coffee Dripper, size 02. Once you're comfortable with your technique, it's a lot of fun to match your spiral pour to this dripper's wide, conical shape. The V60 is capable of brewing coffee that's just as flavorful, interesting, and well-rounded as the Melitta Wave makes. With the Hario, it just takes a little more practice and focus to get consistently great results. Number 3. Melitta Single Cup Pour-Over Coffee Brewer. Looking for a quick, easy, and cheap way to make fancy coffee? No further than the Melitta Ready Set Joe, the most newbie-friendly pour-over coffee maker, and the most inexpensive option on this list of pour-over coffee makers. The simple nature of the Ready Set Joe is its attractive feature. You simply put in a filter, put in your grounds, and pour the water all in one go. Number 4. Clever Coffee Dripper. The Clever Dripper is the best choice if you're just getting started in the world of pour-over coffee. This pour-over coffee maker is user-friendly, even easier to clean, and delivers time and time again, regardless of your skill. The main difference between the Clever Dripper and other pour-over coffee makers on this list, a stopping mechanism that stops the coffee flowing until it has been placed in your cup. This allows you to customize your brew based on steeping time, rather than pouring skill. Number 5. Hario Woodneck Drip Pot. The Woodneck is a glass pot system from Japan that creates small quantities of effing high-quality coffee. Apart from its very Japanese-inspired design, what separates the Woodneck from the pack is the fact that you use a cloth filter for it. This produces heavy coffee with a lot of depth of flavor, all from a medium fine grind. It looks and sounds expensive and difficult to use. But it's not. The Woodneck represents great value for money and is surprisingly easy to use. It comes as a complete system with the mentioned cloth filter, the holder, and the serving vessel all in one. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.